Hi beauties, it's Jean Bersani with Beauty and the Stamper, and welcome to another global Stampers Hop. So every month we do a different theme, and this month's theme is called Memories. So I went right to my Memories and More stash and grabbed the basic black 6x6, and I'm just going to show you these. I don't really do too much of the memory keeping, but this is what it comes with. It's a 6x8, and while I'm putting that away, it is a binder, and in that binder you're going to put some of these little guys. And this is the variety pack of the photo pocket pages. So while I'm opening this, let me tell you, if you are new to my channel and you are here from another demonstrator, please put in the comment that you're new and that whose demonstrator or country you're from. And if you are here from the US, I am your demonstrator for the global stampers. So go ahead and put that in there. If you order from somebody else or if you are a demonstrator, that is fine too. But look at these different things. Do you see the sizes here? You've got these little photo pockets here and another one here. This is a full photo pocket here. I mean, this is just a great little guy if you're starting out. This has two photo pockets. Got a couple of those, and then we've got this with the bigger picture on the bottom, and on the smaller picture on the bottom, the larger on the top. We've got a few of those. We've got a 4 pocket. Now I say photos, they are photo pockets, but they do not have to be filled with photos. In fact, they are going to most likely be filled with only 1 or 2 photos. And then let's show you, we are going to use the Memories and More card pack. So this is so versatile. You could do whatever you'd like, but this is a perfect little thing to buy all together. And I have done, I had a cousin come out for a football game. So we have the Arizona Cardinals here in, this is American football, and I have tickets. So I took him there, and he came from California to Arizona, so it was a nice long trip. It was a Thanksgiving trip, so we had lots of pictures. I ran down, got them printed at the Photoshop, and just made him a quick and easy packet for his gift. And so when he went home, he had a literal memory book of the trip. So let's open these up, and I'm sure you'll see, I'd love for you to visit all of the demonstrators and leave a little comment on every one of their pages, because we all come up with our own ideas, and I cannot wait to see what their ideas are. So I'm going to open this guy up here. And we've got all of these little cards, and you can stick in there in those pockets, and you can write on there. So like on here, I would be like, today the Cardinals beat the Cowboys. I don't know. I'm sorry if you love the Cowboys, but whoever, I just came up with a name. That's the next that's the next football game, so that's why. But there's just some great cards here. I'm going to move this down just a little bit, and all these beautiful colors. And I didn't know what all was in here, but I saw this first one, and I just thought that is so pretty. And now I'm looking at the other ones. They are double-sided, and they have some great things in here. Like, you can color that. You could do whatever you'd like. There's so many great ideas in here. And then here's that hand penned that everybody's just loving. So we've got all of these in there. Then we also have some little stickers, and these are little sticker packs, and they have some of these flowers on here, and they have some little stickers that are already printed, and they have stickers that you could stamp on, so you can color these guys in to match what you're doing. And there's some more stickers here, and you just have a great time doing what you're going to be doing. So here's a nice little thinking of you, a happy birthday, some more stickers to stamp on. And then remember, we had some of those larger that I said photos, but you didn't have to put photos in there. That's because there's more cards. There's larger cards. See here? Look at that beautiful. Just so many great photos here. Cultivate a good life. And then they too are back sided, so you can go to the other side, see all these great sides. So there is so much you can do. This one says picture perfect. That would be great. You can put your own little sayings in here. They are just so cute. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. That would be a wonderful card to send to somebody, and that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how I use these, because I don't use the memories and more quite a bit. So let me show you. I do quick and easy, and I'm going to show you two quick and easy cards. One, all I did was I took a white, basic white piece of paper, and these cards are a 4 by 3 inches. Of course, I'm using imperial measurements, but you just pick your favorite one. You could use this guy here. There's just so many great sayings, but I like this one here. This anything is possible. Now there's two ways you can do. You can use this, and then you can punch something out, stamp and punch something out, right? You've got that. Or you can just put this happy birthday right across. So many great ideas of what you can do. I would just put that right on there, and you have a card right there that you made. It's still considered a handmade card, and it's ready to go. So I am going to make a couple cards, like I said, and we are going to do this quick and easy. I am going to use this side here. You're just going to take your stamp and seal and put this right on there. If you cut everything correctly, you should have a great little border. And so this was a 3 by 4, so I cut this at a 4 1/4 by 6 1/2, and then scored at 3 1/4, and this is what you get. So you've got this great little guy. Now I am going to quickly find a stamp set, and I've got this little guy that is called the Flowers of Friendship. Now I'm going to grab one of these and just find something that you like. I like this Friends. Life is better with friends like you. I'm going to grab myself a block, and then I'm going to say, what color would go really well with this? And we could do it in a soft succulent if we wanted it to be monochromatic, because those colors look really well together, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take a piece of the basic white, just a scrap piece that I have here. Open up my ink there. Got that down. And then I'm going to find a nice punch. How about this punch? This is the tailored tag punch. And that just happens to fit in there rather nicely. Line that up. We punch that guy out. We're going to get a couple of dimensionals out. We'll put that there. That one's stuck on there. Put one there. And then I'm going to put them on all sides. So I am missing my take your pick tool. I need to find that. I have it somewhere on here. But now all we need to do is take this guy, put it right on there, add some gems if you'd like, or leave it as is, and you have this nice little card. Now look how many other cards we can make. So many, right? They're already done, quick and easy. I can make like tons of cards and use this same Life is Better with Friends Like You, and then send a little card to my friends. I have another one that we're gonna do. And we've got a regular, this is Daffodil Delight, and it is cut at 5.5 by 8.5. We've got it scored at 4 1/4, and then I have it scored at 2 1/8. Again, quick and easy. I also have a piece of basic white, and that is cut at 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. No, I'm lying. It's cut at just underneath 3 and just underneath 4, like just a fraction underneath, so that it's smaller than this guy here. See that? It's just barely smaller. And in fact, I might cut it down and even a little bit more. And I'm going to just take this one here. Again, I did not know exactly what I was going to do, but once I saw this, then I knew that this and this were going to be really cute together. So I'm going to cut this down just a little more. Probably a 1/16 of an inch there. So it would be 3 and 15/16, right? And then this one would be 2 of 15/16. Very tiny coming off there. All right, so we have this beautiful guy here and this nice little background that we already have in our card. I'm going to take this piece here, again using this guy. I'm going to line that up. Right. And then this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take this guy and I am going to put some adhesive on here. And I'm going to line it up so that it is right underneath there. There we go. And this makes a lovely little card. Now, I was not thinking that this was not a full background. You would want that to be a full background with something, well, let me see, like that, right? So we could always cut this down and have that there if you'd like, because I was not paying attention. So there we go. And we've got that. Now let's look at our stickers here. And we can do a happy birthday. You can do a thinking of you, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to take that thinking of you. I'm just going to put that right there. And then I'm going to do a little flower right down here as well. And you're not going to be able to see that. So let me show you, because I did make this error, and I do happen to have a piece of basic white. We could very easily fix this, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to take my Stampin' Seal and I'm going to put it right around the edges here. I'm going to cut this down because we know that it's 4. And cut it right at 4. And now I can stick this right in there as far as it'll go, and straight on there. Right, so now I have this extra piece, and we are just going to take, and you can trim it off with your trimmer, or you can trim it off with your scissors. Either way, what you could do in the beginning, rather than doing this, because you know, if you've watched me for any length of time, I'm going to show you an error, because that's what I do. But there is a quick and easy finished card, and if they open it up, they are not seeing anything. So there we go. We've got our 2 quick and easy cards. Very fast, very pretty. We've got the Memories and More pack. You could buy this guy, and the all of the pack, the whole Memories and More pack, for less than $30 in US. So, all right, beauties, I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to buy this, you can go ahead and go to jeanpersani.stampinup.net. Make sure you use the August host code, and don't forget, celebration started. So for every $50 that you spend, you can choose a free gift from the celebration catalog. So thank you to all of my global friends out there, and I can't wait to see all of your videos. I'm going to go check them out now, and you should do the same. All right, have a great day. Bye.